Hi, I'm Patrick Manise from BrainTech Robotics STEM Learning Center. Today was a fantastic day. We had a number of Black youth attending our STEMTECH 25, which we spoke about robotics, droneology, and navigating one's career or one's study for a career in artificial intelligence and robotics. The kids had an opportunity to engage in a number of exhibits that we had, and one of the special guests was the Unitree quadruped Go 2. That's a giant robotic dog that we call a quadruped, and that was fantastic. We have used AI to help to refine some of the ideas and the concepts that we've had floating around.
This programming has been found to improve personal and social skills, improve a sense of happiness in life. It increases positive attitudes about oneself. It reduces anxiety and depression. It improves attendance in school. It also helps to gain in achievement test scores and have better grades.
From here, we'll be moving on to York University, where we have Residency, and we'll be providing programs much like these at a deeper level, including programming, artificial intelligence, LLM, and so on.